Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you my skincare routine, beginners friendly. I'll be sharing with you my body, my lip and my face routine. So in this video, get ready to see amazing products, affordable and the price tag. Interested in this content, if you know this is what you want to watch, please make sure you watch to the end. First of all, you have to get this bathing glove. I got this for about 1,000 naira, but you can get the smaller size, and it's different from the old normal sponge we always use. This one gets dirt out of the body easy and faster. So I pair it with, this is my body wash. I use the Dove restoring ritual wash. I got it for about 2,000 naira, but some people feel like it is too thick. So if you know you don't have so much water in your house, you know you're in an hostel, you're managing water, I'll not recommend Dove. You can use the bar soap, and you can also use St.IVES bathing body wash. Rather, you can use St.IVES body wash. You can use Nivea. Dove is so nice. If you want to smell amazing, you want to smell yummy, then Dove is the way to go. It makes you smell nice all day. So yeah, moving forward, I'll show you what I use in exfoliating my skin, and you don't really need much product as well. So this is an exfoliator that I just started using, and it is affordable. I got it for 1,500 naira, and I was a bit skeptical about this product, but I saw it on the shelf, and 10 out of 15 women that came, they actually bought this product, and I was like, what's even so special about this product? Anyways, I've been using it for about 1 week now, and it is amazing. It makes my body feel softer. But if you know you want to, get a little bit expensive body scrub, then I recommend the Dove body scrub, and it is 5,500 naira, I guess. So yeah, that's how much I got it, 5,500 naira. This smells amazing. This is like one of my favorite body exfoliating, and we have another one. I'll be putting it in the video so you can see. That one's about 10,000 naira. So it depends on how much you want to spare, how much you are willing to spare for your body care routine. This is a vital part of your skincare routine. You need to exfoliate your skin twice a week so your body is down, so you don't just use a whole lot of products. This particular one is so harsh on the skin. It is sugar scrub. I love it, but this one is soft. It looks like a soapy kind of nature. It is very soft. It looks like butter. Yeah, that's how this one looks like. So you just scrub your body except from your face. Don't use this on your face. Scrub your body, leave it on for about 10 minutes before washing off. That all over your legs. I shave my leg, you shave your armpits, you make that neat and fresh before you exfoliate, before you shave, then you wash your body. That is how you should do it, so you don't have a strawberry skin, or that is how I do it, so I don't have a strawberry. You know, all those tiny things that look like pimple on your leg, that is what a strawberry skin is. So you exfoliate before actually shave. Let's move to my body lotion. This is what I use. I use Palmer's body lotion, and you can also use Nivea. Nivea has been around for years, and it is amazing. And you can also get any body lotion of your choice, but this is what I use in particular. So let's move to my lip care. Actually, I'm not wearing any lipstick. I'm only using a lip gloss, and this is what I use to exfoliate my lip. I pour sugar and lemon, fresh lemon and sugar. I mix it together, and that's what I use on my lips 3 times a week. So not expensive, DIY, you can do that yourself. Let's move on to my face. So guys, first of all, you need a face wash, and I don't recommend you using your body wash as your face wash. You can buy a ceraVE face wash, but this is what I've been using lately. This is just 2,500 naira, and it does the job like magic. You can see my skin, and this face wash is what I use it like twice a day or 3 times a day. You just need to wash your face. The first step of having a nice skin is actually getting rid of dirt on your skin. And for those of you that use makeup wipes, you just clean your makeup off, you need to wash your face. You don't just wipe your skin and go to bed. You need to wash your face. Then after washing your face, then you can use an exfoliant. This is dirty, but I don't use this any longer. I've stopped using this a year ago. I see a lot of people using exfoliants on their skin. Apricot scrub, this is bad for your face. The ordinary something acid, I'll put it there so you guys can see. It's the ordinary acid. It's an exfoliant and it exfoliates your skin. My toner, I've run out of this arami toner. You don't really need this. You can skip the toning process. Honestly, you can skip the toning process, but if you need to use a toner, you can get the Fenty Beauty toner, or you can go for this arami essentials toner. That's what I've been using and I love it. So this is the most affordable vitamin C serum out there. This is 2,000 naira and it does the job amazing. You can use it at night and you can use it in the morning. When you're using it in the morning, don't forget to always use your sunscreen. Sunscreen is important whenever you're using vitamin C serum. And this is how it looks like. It's so nice. It's thick and it gives you the natural glow. You need a moisturizer. A moisturizer comes in before the sunscreen. Your moisturizer is what makes your skin healthy. It locks in moisture to your skin. I'll be putting a list of moisturizer. I know about 2 to 3 moisturizers that are good and are affordable. Like the simple moisturizer is about 2,500 naira. So you can use that moisturizer on your skin. I feel you guys have been sleeping on Vaseline a lot. Vaseline is amazing on the lips and it locks in moisture on the face. It locks in moisture on the face. Vaseline is amazing. You just need a tiny bit of Vaseline, especially when you want to put it in your under eye area. You need Vaseline. It locks in moisture to your face, your skin and your lips. Most important parts of this video, and that is your sunscreen. Guys, I've been using this sunscreen, but Dr. Skin sunscreen, I don't really like it. I use the Arami Essential sunscreen as well. I love that, but I've actually finished using that and I need to get a new one. So I'll be putting the list of sunscreen you can get in the description box below. Guys, if you are feeling this video, because I'm giving you all what I am using to glow, guys, simply click the like button and subscribe to this channel because I have a whole lot in store for you guys. Like I said, sunscreen is the most important part of your routine. So without sunscreen, just don't go into the sun because you will age faster than you are not supposed to. So sunscreen is the most important part of this routine. Let me recap everything for you. For your face, you need a face wash. You can get different type of face wash. I'll be leaving that in the description box below. Make sure you check it out. You need a face wash, you need a moisturizer, vitamin C serum and your sunscreen. That is the most important thing you need on your face. Then for your body, you need a body wash and your body scrub. That is the most important part of the things you need on your body. Guys, we have come to the end of this video. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel. This will really help my channel a lot and I'm going to be coming up with more content for you guys. So guys, see you in my next video.